Welcome back to my channel. Today again the weather is cold and we are going outside. It's Saturday today, so we don't have any plans. Actually, we will just buy some Turkish buns and with some tea coffee, and then we will see what we will do. I'm having my breakfast in the car. We came to a stationery store because my son's school want us to make an animal from recycled material. So we have to buy some material, for some glues, some stick for that. So that's why we are waiting in the car, and my husband and my son, they are buying the stuff from stationery. I think they got the stuff. Okay. My son bought a small notebook. That's so sweet, Tamiran. They have fresh meat here. It's a steak house. This is a hot sauce with onion and some greenery and some tomatoes, but it's very tasty. And this is the yogurt with some cucumber. You like that? So we ordered some meatballs as well because my daughter did not like the steak.
Yok, teşekkürler.
Do it's tasty? You like köfte?
Yeah.
Okay. Bitti mi ağzındaki? You finished? Okay.
No, I finished.
You finished your steak? Wow. Yes? Finished? Yes.
Şimdi, now you can
Dua, you want to finish it
try the
now?
butter.
Okay. Dua is finishing
Take the
one
butter
köfte.
then.
Yeah. I like to eat these meatballs like this. The bread, the meatball, and some hot sauce.
Güzel bitti la.
Some hot sauce. Oops. Okay. So this is it, and it's so tasty. just had our dinner. Actually, it's very early. It's 5:10 p.m. But children were hungry, so we thought that we will have dinner right away, and after that we will go to IKEA. Came to IKEA. Tamam. They have the lunch menu and dinner menu as well, IKEA. But we had our dinner, so we'll only have coffee at some place here. We couldn't buy anything because my children are tired, so we just had a look to all the stuff. But maybe next time we will buy some curtains for our living room. We have to take the measurement of our living room first. After that we will buy the curtains. Now we will have some donuts and some coffee here.
Ha?
Hangi donut istiyorsun abi?
Ya. Acı. Acı biber sosu.
Acı biber. Bu ne?
Ama acı bir